Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. Y'all know who it is. Well, if you don't, it's Raising Cajun. We got a small tool haul for you today. A couple of things I ordered. One thing I ordered, one thing I got for one off of a contest from Capri Tools, and a couple of things from Olsa Tools. So, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Sorry you're not seeing my face today. Well, you might see it at the end of the video. But first things first, I was on Instagram, decided to go ahead and enter the Olsa Tools giveaway that they usually do once per month or whenever they have them. And lo and behold, I actually won a set of their brand new part number 37960, the electrical disconnect pliers. These will come in real handy. This is the new set of pliers that they just came out with, either this month or last month. But these are highly useful, especially with some of your stubborn disconnect things you can't really get to. But if you want to check these out, go over to Capri Tools and look up part number 37961. They are made in Vietnam by Lao Corporation in Iowa. There's their website. If y'all want to ping that, scan that little barcode right there, you can. Well, we'll put these to some good use and see how they do. That's item number one. Item number two is one I paid for out of my own pocket. I've been looking at this set for a long time. Decided to go ahead and pull the trigger on it. I'm not going to let y'all see my address. But it's the Capri Tools 15-piece 3/8 drive stubby impact socket set. It goes from 8 to 22 with no skips. It even has the 20 and 21 in there, as y'all can see. It is chrome moly, magnesium phosphate. It is ASME qualified. It is 6-point. It is the stubbies. They are chrome heated, treated. It is the metric. Part number on that is CP53425. It does come in, let me open it up. It does come in its own styrofoam. Go ahead and get all this stuff back in where it belongs. I don't know, I've been eyeing this set for a long time. We're finally able to pull the trigger on it, and we'll put these to some good use, especially right here on the semi. All you guys that know, I am a professional truck driver, and I do some of my own work on my semi. Or try to anyway, when I can. But go over and check Capri out. It's a really good replica brand of tools. Let's see, where did they say they made? Made in Taiwan. So this particular set of sockets is made in Taiwan. Again, the part number on that is CP53425. These next items were sent to me by Olsa Tools for review and to do some videos on them. First item I'm going to show you is the Olsa Tools high capacity socket holders. It does have a powerful magnet. It is scratch free mounting. It is the SAE set. It does have 1/4, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive in it. It is 3-piece magnetic socket holders. We'll go ahead and open these little boogers up. Yes, I know people are going to be like, why did you get the yellow? I didn't order these. Also sent them to me. Ooh. It is the yellow socket holders, SAE. Looks like some pretty good solid socket holders. We will get these set up in my toolbox and give them a try. See how they hold up. Again, it did come in the 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch. So as soon as I can, I'll get these set up in a toolbox and we'll do further videos on this particular item. Looks pretty interesting. But for now, we're going to set these to the side. These are going to go back home. I'm not going to carry around in the truck with me. Oh, if y'all are wondering where those are made, I'm guessing they are made in Canada. Let's see. Doesn't really say. But the part number on that is #1348 batch number #2210. I want some more info on that. There you go. Oh, okay. They are made in Taiwan. Right there. Stamped on the box. Based out of Canada, made in Taiwan. Next item I was pretty excited to get. is the Olsa Tools 6-point design, high strength chrome moly steel, high contrast sizing markings. It is the metric, ranges from 10 to 24 with no skips. Again, these are made in Taiwan. So, if y'all are looking for any of these tools, go over to Olsa Tools and check them out. We'll do further videos on these also coming up in the future. But nonetheless, if you ain't subscribed to the channel, please consider getting subscribed to the channel and checking out the rest of my videos. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that like button, share this video out, and ring that bell for all future videos and get notifications. But until the next time, this is the Raging Cajun saying y'all keep those wheels spinning and your beavers grinning. And y'all have a great weekend. Peace out.